It's not that saying de nada it's wrong, it's just that there are plenty of options that are going to make you sound mucho mejor. Hola mi gente y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Paulísima, your favorite Spanish teacher. And remember que mis videos salen los viernes, that my videos come out on Fridays. My videos are part of a weekly series made by the other maestros de español, the other Spanish teachers of Spring Spanish, and your humble servant. Subscribe to nuestro canal, to our channel, never to miss our 5 weekly Spanish lessons. But do it, come on, click on the subscribe button. I want to see you doing it right now. Come on, do it. Make me happy, come on. Chances are that you were taught to say de nada as a response when you do a favor to somebody, and they say gracias, and then, you say de nada. In this video, you will learn 4 alternatives to de nada that will elevate your español de aquí a aquí. And I also added a 5th one that is going to make you sound más mexicano que el tequila, more Mexican than tequila. It's a little cheeky and kind of old-fashioned one, but I love it and I promise it's super mexicana. Empecemos. Número 1. Es un placer. It's a pleasure. So I have una amiga, I have a girlfriend who hates saying de nada, which literally translates as of nothing. She says that when we do a favor to somebody, something happened, it was not like nothing. It had meaning, it had value, and therefore we should not eliminate that good thing or that, that favor that we did by erasing it, saying that it was nothing. So instead, when somebody is expressing gratitude to you, we can say, es un placer. It's a pleasure. Número 2. Gracias a ti. Thanks to you. We can use this expression when there was an actual exchange of favors between you and the other person. And we can also use it when we want to emphasize that whatever it is that we did for the other person, it was actually a good experience for us as well. So it is actually us who are grateful towards the other person. Repeat after me. Gracias a ti. Thanks to you. Número 3. No te preocupes. Don't worry about it. Now, we can use always no te preocupes, but I find it particularly useful when the action, when the favor that we did to the other person was something perhaps a little more difficult than a regular favor, a little bit more complicated, or something that involves somehow of an embarrassing situation. This is a good way to remind the other person that they really don't owe us anything. No te preocupes. Don't worry about it. Número 4. Cuando gustes. Whenever you want. Please only use this one if you actually mean it. I really like using cuando gustes when the favor that I did is something that I actually enjoy doing. Like I really enjoy it. So if you ask me, I don't know, for example, to explain you anything related to Mexico or feminism or food, 3 of my favorite subjects in the world, then I'll be really happy to help you, and I would actually mean it. If you say, muchas gracias, Paulísima, I'll be like, cuando gustes. Whenever you want. Before I tell you the last one, my favorite one, let me remind you that if you want to elevate your Spanish game, you have to make sure you go and check out the free Spanish training that we have put together so you can learn about our 4-step method that we use here at the Spring Spanish YouTube channel and at the Spring Spanish Academy, so you can stop translating in your head and have like ready to go sentences in Spanish just rolling off your tongue like an expert. Check out the free training and also check out the free Spanish lessons that you can access also in our website. They're free, they're fantastic, they come directly from the Spring Spanish Academy and I'm sure you're gonna like them. Número 5. Las que te adornan. This is the cheeky one I was telling you about. Las que te adornan. This phrase translates as the ones that flatter you. The word gracias means both thank you, but it's also a word that is used to describe, let's say, favorable characteristics, yeah? And it's also the quality of gracefulness. So let's assume that the person that you're talking to, the person that you did a favor to, is Mexican. And let's say that you are in good terms with this person. They say gracias to you, and you can do this little play of words telling them that the only gracias that are worth mentioning are theirs. So they'll say, you know, like, hey, Paulísima, gracias. And you say, las que te adornan. You have to add, you know, like a little cheeky attitude. I promise you're gonna make any Mexican chuckle with this one. Or at least me. Muy bien. So now you can respond to gracias in 4 different ways and an extra special Mexican one. So consider your español oficialmente elevado, officially elevated. For a more in-detail explanation about what is the whole conversation-based chunking thing that I told you about, go right now, click on the link in the description box and check it out yourself. You're not gonna regret it, I promise. Y además, and on top of that, I'm going to really thank you for that. This was Paulísima y fue un placer estar con ustedes. Hasta la próxima. Remember to subscribe to the Spring Spanish YouTube channel, like this video and share it with anyone interested in learning Spanish for good.